During a Canadian winter, it snows, obviously, and it can get pretty cold. Both of those are not good for outdoor furniture or decor. So we have this great fall ritual where we pack up the patio, backyard, front porch, close pools. It's like we're getting ready for hibernation. And then come spring, we get to bring it all out again. I am so jealous of you living in southern climates. I'm Anna, and I may live in the southernmost part of Canada, but that means nothing when it comes to weather. Come with me as I bring my patio out of hibernation. First, there's a lot of cleaning. Winter makes a mess. I even shampoo my outdoor rug. I think my neighbors think I'm crazy, but look how gross the water is. Once the rug is dried in the sun, I can lay it out on the patio as the anchor for the space. This patio furniture we found at the Home Depot, and it's really comfy. The table between the chairs was my first furniture build last summer, and it's still holding up. For outdoor dining, we have a simple dining set, also from Home Depot. Not sponsored. I picked up this side table from HomeSense, and I love how well it matches. This rug here is made of like a plastic material, so it's really light. And when we have a storm, it tends to blow away. So I did have like our little barbecue cart on one corner and this planter on the other, but I don't really love how that looks. So I found a solution. It's these concrete decorative balls that I picked up at HomeSense. This one still has a price tag on it, but I think they maybe would be their garden decorations or door stops, but I guess for me, they're gonna be rug flyaway stops. I'm loving how the patio is coming together, but there's just one thing that feels a little bit, I guess, off. It's these blue accent pillows. I mean, they're mostly cream with a bit of blue, and I don't know, I'm just feeling more of a neutral vibe. So I have some fabrics. I went to Fabricland and I got these two, they're pretty textured fabrics. Now, they're really inexpensive. This one was $336 and this one was $350. Plus, I got them 50% off because I got them out of the clearance bin. So I'm either gonna sew pillows or get some pillows sewn for me. Okay, I know you're thinking, but this is indoor fabric. That's not a good idea for outside, but I have a solution for that. My pillowcases are done. And obviously, I didn't sew them because they are perfect and they have a zipper. No, my mother-in-law sewed them for me because she's, well, an excellent seamstress. So I have this indoor fabric that I'm going to be using outdoors. This is a covered area, but it's still, like it still does, like if there's a decent storm, it will rain in here a bit too. So I picked up some of this Never Wet. And this is like a water repellent treatment. You just spray it on. You don't like drench it, you don't like pour it on, you just spray it on until the fabric gets soaked and then just let it dry and then you're good to go. And throughout the season, if it gets like, you can start to notice that the water's like not just sitting on the surface, it's really soaking in, then just spray some more. And you can use it on like shoes, backpacks, gloves, and of course patio furniture. So I just have to spray and then let it dry and then I can dress my pillows. The spray actually has a pretty nice smell. It's not chemically or anything. It's almost just like some kind of fabric softener or something. It smells nice. The plant that I had in this planter last year died, and I love gardening and was totally okay with an excuse to buy another plant. I got this tropical nameless plant at Home Depot. Okay, at this point, I really should be sponsored for all my Home Depot runs. To hide the soil and make the plant look more tidy, I like to add a layer of decorative stones, something I didn't get at the Home Depot. These are from the Dollar Tree. A few more decorative touches, and my patio's done! Summer is around the corner and I get to spend time enjoying coffee on my patio. And hibernation is like 5-6 months away. I hope you enjoy your summer and remember to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more outdoor ideas. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! It's good coffee. Bye.